G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons. Fabulous to be at Caravans at Windsor, and this is the new Ocean Breeze. Everybody loves an Ocean Breeze. Now you can have your own Ocean Breeze caravan, and it's got so many features. This one is a family van, so you can have 5 people in it if you wish. Excellent. But some of the features, you've got this big toolbox. That's standard. Twin gas bottles. You've also got the breakaway system already done, and the chassis, Australian made, Australian owned. Doesn't get better, does it? Let's go and have a look. Now before I take you inside, there's some amazing features outside. The tunnel boot. When you've got a family van, storage is so important. That tunnel boot is massive, huge, gigantic. Then you come through, see this awning here? It is just fabulous because it comes all the way out and you've got party space galore. Speaking of party space, have a look at the speakers because you've got outside speakers as well, and then there's LED lighting. Coming through again, that's your picnic tray. So when you drop that down, you can picnic away on the outside of your van, covered by your awning, and as you come around again, you've even got a reversing camera. And for a super smooth ride, you've got tandem axle and a tri-lock security door with separate fly screen. Just fabulous. Come inside. Hey, you want a family van? This is a family van. Look at the size of that living area. So you've got enough seating, and it's butte faux leather, so it's terrific. Big table. Coming up here, you've got lots of cabinetry, sound system, air conditioning up here, and the air conditioning goes all the way through the van. Come and see the kitchen. Now, it's a fabulous kitchen. It's a family-sized kitchen because you've got cabinetry here, 4 drawers, more cabinetry. This is where it gets really good because there's 4 hot plates, a griller, and a real oven. So when you're going on holidays with the family, you can cook away to your heart's content. Then there's even a pantry, which is wonderful. Coming up here, you've got the exhaust fan. This is great. In here is your battery management system. You've also got solar already connected. That's already up on your roof. Solar's already there. And there's a grey water tank. So you can go to the national parks, you've got a grey water tank. Wonderful. I'll close that up. Coming over here, you've got stainless steel sink. And of course, you've got a fabulous microwave oven and a huge fridge and freezer. You know, going on holidays is always exciting, and the exciting part is getting a great night's sleep. And this is a queen bed, so you've got a fabulous bed area, plus these terrific reading lamps. And each of the reading lamps has a USB point built into them, so you can keep up to date with your social media. From the bed area, you can watch the television because the TV is included. You get the TV, but that swivels from facing the bed around to the living area, so depending upon where and when you want to watch it, that's good. You've got a TV aerial already built in as well, and importantly from there you've got this immense storage area under the bed, and then you've got the bunk beds as well. Let's go and have a look at those. The kids' bedroom wing, just too good, because you've got 3 bunks. 3, 1, 2, 3, but if you only want 2, you can have 2, so you can have 1, 2, and then all of this for additional storage. But each of the bunk levels have their own window. Each of the bunk levels have got 2 power points, and each of the bunk levels have their own USB and reading lamp, which is great. Then coming over here, you've got a washing machine already built in, and then gets even better. There's a full stand-up shower, which is wonderful, a vanity, a toilet, exhaust fans, and all of it has LED lighting. You know, when you go overseas, the holiday's just gone. When you buy an Ocean Breeze caravan, you've got an asset. And importantly, it comes with a 2-year warranty. The only place to get in New South Wales is Caravans Windsor, and when you pick up your Ocean Breeze caravan, they give you a full handover. So where do you get yours? Caravans at Windsor. Caravans.com.au, caravans.com.au. Get in touch now, you might get yours pretty quick.